But you know about the dead people, right?
Yeah, I saw a lot of that. Out on the loading dock, hauling trucks.
No, not the ones they put down. The ones they didn't. The walkers. Like the one I shot today. Because he'd have ripped into you. Try to eat you, taking some flesh at least. Well, I guess if this is the first you're hearing it, I know how it must sound.
They're out there now, in the street?
Yeah. They get more active after dark sometimes. Maybe it's the cool air, or hell, maybe it's just me firing that gun today. But we'll be fine long as we stay quiet. Probably wander off by morning. Well, listen. One thing I do know, don't you get bit. I saw your bandage, and that's what we were afraid of. Bites kill you. The fever burns you out. But then after a while, you come back.
Seeing it happen.
Carl. Your son? Well, he said his name today.
He's a little younger than your boy.
And he's with his mother.
I hope so.
Dad,
Hey.
did you ask him?
You gunshot? We got a little bet going. My boy said you're a bank robber.
Yeah, that's me. Deadly as Dillinger. Kapow. Sheriff's deputy.
Uh-huh. Hey, it's okay. Daddy's here. It's nothing. One of them must have bumped the car.
You sure?
Happened once before. Went on for a few minutes. Get the light, Dwayne. It's the blue one down the street. Same one as last time. I think we're okay.
Noise. Want to bring more of them?
Nothing we can do about it now. Just have to wait them out till morning.
She's here.
Don't look. Get away from the windows. I said go. Come on. Quiet. Come on, quiet. Shh. It's okay. Here. Crying to the pillow. You remember? Shh. She died in the other room on that bed in there. There's nothing I could do about it. That fever, man. Skin gave off heat like a furnace. Oh, man, I should have put it down. I know that, but... You know, I just didn't have it in me. She's the mother of my child.